Hi, here's a little video to help sort out a problem with a fault on a Baxi 105E. Read lots of articles about what possibly can cause the fault. This particular fault was showing a fan fault with this 50-degree light here. The fan wasn't starting up, the boiler wasn't igniting, so there was no hot water or any central heating. Lots of indications were pointing to PCB board, which is a common fault on these Baxis. So I'm going to show you what the fault was with the PCB board and how you can fix it for around about 2-3 quid. Okay, this is an old PCB board that I have, which has a different fault on it. But just to show you what I did with the boiler to rectify the flue fan code was to replace one of the relays. Now the relay that causes the problem is this one here. So what I did was take the relay out, put a new relay in, which, as I say, very cheap. I think about 135, 2 quid, something like that. Replace that relay and problem sorted. This is the dead relay that I took out here. So, as I say, very easy fix for anybody who's a little bit handy with a soldering iron. So, and can save you £40 for a second-hand PCB board, over £100 for a new one. I hope that saves you some money.